Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is over this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I am putting in my contacts. I do wear glasses. I was not blessed with 20/20 vision, but let me know if you guys would like to see my go-to makeup look for when I do wear my glasses. I can totally do that for you guys. But for now, I am applying my Maybelline FitMe foundation with my Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer and just covering those under eye bags. And I also applied some over my eyelids to prime for eyeshadow. Then to set everything in place, I'm using the Covergirl Professional Loose Powder in Translucent Fair. Next, I'm using my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunshine and I'm bronzing up my face. I actually really like this bronzer. It has some shimmer in it, so it will give me a little bit of that glow. Then I am blending out that bronzer with my powder brush. Then I'm using my NYX Highlight and Contour palette and I'm taking that shade to just further define my features, I guess. Going back into the palette, I'm mixing those two matte highlight shades and I am cleaning up my contour a bit. Then for blush, I'm using my NYX blush in Dusty Rose and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks.
Are you making a YouTube video? Yeah.
Then I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Iced Latte and I'm highlighting my entire face with this. I absolutely love these eyeshadows. They're so pigmented and so gorgeous and I'm obsessed. I went ahead and did my brows off camera, but I'm setting my brow hairs in place with the Maybelline Clear Mascara. Now onto eyes, I'm taking that same bronzer from earlier and I'm applying that to the crease with a fluffy brush. Then to further define the eyes, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette and taking that bronze shade. I'm applying that straight into the crease and also the outer corners. Now for some shimmer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Amber Rush. It's so freaking pretty. Oh, just a pretty rose gold shade. And I'm applying that to the lids. Then I'm taking Iced Latte again and applying that to the center just to kind of make it pop a little bit more. Then going back into that Comfort Zone palette and I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm kind of doing like a soft eyeliner. I'm taking a very, very small brush and just applying that to the upper lash line. Yeah, the upper lash line. I went ahead and highlighted my brow bone with that champagne color from the palette. Now I'm highlighting my inner corners with that Iced Latte eyeshadow. Then taking that bronze shade and applying that to my bottom lash line to kind of smoke it out a little bit, but not too much because I still want this look to be simple. Now I'm curling my lashes and applying my Holy Grail Covergirl Waterproof Lashblast Mascara. Then for lips, I'm taking my Jordana Sweet Cream Liquid Lipstick and just applying that to my lips. And that is the look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed and I hope y'all are all having a wonderful new year so far. I love you guys so much and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Lay back and groove when my goodness. Someone's cooking something.